welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to customize your Canvas page. Here we have a task and I changed the colors of all the Canvas pages. So this is how it looks like when you're starting off. So it has the pictures and the colors. Now we're gonna open Chrome Web Store and we're gonna click on extensions and we're gonna search up Better Canvas. Make sure that it's this one. You add it, add extension, close tab. The next one is going to be Canvas Plus. Make sure it's the first one that says featured. Add to Chrome, add extension, close the tab, and then Tasks for Canvas is the next extension we're gonna add. Make sure it's this one and add to Chrome, add extension, alrighty, so now refresh your page and you will see that it will have a finished setup. You could keep it in dark mode, but personally I like to add it in light, and also I like to tab them onto my taskbar. So these are all the options that you have. You have GPA calendar, calculator, card grade. I only like to have it when it like hover only. So you can have dashboard notes. You could have a better to-do list. I like to keep it like that, where like it previews, and then you could open cards, and this is where you could customize what you could see. When you put none, the images on will leave, as how you saw on the bottom. It deletes the picture, and I like to keep it at none so I could have the full colors that I like. You could also change the name of the course under name, custom name, and the code for if you want to put the course number. Here there's the task sheet. It will tell you the task that you have to do, and when you click on each circle, it like specifies the class by color. I like to change the display. This turns off the lights, it makes it dim or default. And then active background is when you click on it, it shows which tab you have on, and here is where you change the colors for your taskbar. So personally, I like to keep it at the color that I'm putting on, which is the same color as the one I have for genetics lab. And then I like to add my darkest color that I have there, and I usually pick like a greenish color, and I use the same green that I use for biology PTL. And it would change the color that you have on the task. Now, you could add pictures to them as well. If you go on Pinterest, you could search up whatever. I'm going to search up Totoro. And do not do what I just did. Do not copy the Pinterest link. And here I'm going to show you what happens when you copy it. When you paste it into the image, it will give you an error. Make sure you don't do that. You have to go and select copy image address, and then go back to Better Canvas, to cards, and then paste the image link, and it will show up. And you could also have certain themes, like if you have reds or pinks, it will change them all to the theme. And that's just me making sure that I didn't skip anything. You can also make gradient cards, condense them, disable the colorway if you just want to keep the solid pictures. So I'm just going to put it back to none because I like them just the plain color. And thank you for watching.